Okay, student, today we will be doing this question. The shaded diagram in the shaded region in the diagram is defined by three inequalities. And this is past paper, May, June 2016. And this is question number 9. And the variant is 1, 1. Let's talk about this question of inequality. At first, we know that this is the region, this is the shaded region. So one of these is y is greater than 1 by 2x plus 2. So it means that we first need to identify that which of these three lines, because they said that there are total three lines, three inequalities. So one of this line is y is greater than and equals to 1 by 2x plus 2. So we have to find out the rest of the two, but we have to identify this as well. First of all, the very first thing is that we always have to start with writing the inequality as in the form of equation. So I'm writing this y is equals to 1 by 2x plus 2. Now let's see that where this line would be, because at first we can identify with a very simple thing, and that is the y-intercept. The equation has a y-intercept. Since the equation is y is the slope-intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c. So this m is the gradient, which is 1 by 2, which is the coefficient of x, and c is the y-intercept, which is actually, in this case, it is 2 plus 2. So let's see this, the line, any line which is passing through plus 2 is this line. This line is passing through plus 2. So it means that this equation, this line is basically, this line we are talking about, this line is about y is equals to 1 by 2x plus 2. But since it's an inequality, and the region is also defined as, because it's y is greater than and equals to 1 by 2x plus 2. So we know already that the region is above that line. So it's also true. So we can write y is greater than and equals to 1 by 2x plus 2. Now, the two leftover lines are, this line is left and this line is left, because the region is defined by 3. So one of the two line is this, the horizontal line. We know the horizontal line is always have zero gradient, and it's always of the form y is equals to c, where c is only the y-intercept through which the line has been passed. In this case, the line is passing through 3 plus 3. So the equation of the line will be y is equals to 3. Moving on to check that what is actually the inequality. We know that the region is below this line, so it will be y is less than and equals to 3. So this is going to be the inequality of this horizontal line. Okay, now coming to the line which is left, and that is this line. This line is passing through 0, so its y-intercept is definitely 0. What we need to actually see, we have to find out the gradient of this line, because to make the line, the equation of the line, we know that this is the slope-intercept form. Let's take any 2 points. So I'm taking this point as this point is -3 and +3. And this point, what I'm going to take is this one is -1, -1, -1, 1. So I'm going to find out the gradient, as we know that m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, I'm taking -3, 3, +3. And the other point is -1, +1. So this will be x1, y1, and this will be x2, y2. So let's put it in this equation. So y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 3. So we're writing 1 minus 3 over x2 minus x1 is -1 minus -3. So it will be 1 minus 3 is -2. Instead, -1 minus will become plus 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So -2 over 2, which is -1. So the equation of this line will be y is equals to -1x plus c, which is 0. So ultimately, the equation will be -1x only. Now we know that this line has the region above this line. So the equation will be inequality will be y is greater than and equals to -1x. So basically, the two inequalities that were required is y is less than and equals to 3, and the other one is y is greater than and equals to -1x. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching this.